like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see, 8 off. Now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat, cause every time I get up on the mic I come correct. And I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh. Full little dime, big butt and nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock guests, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy board jets, cause kids got me bustin' like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say L, make them say O. The hoes that tell me yes, the same ones that tell you no. Whoa, I ain't just an average Joe, ain't above the average flow, boy, my life is most dope.
What's up guys, and welcome back to Driven by a Dream. And today we're checking off one of the biggest bucket list moments of my life, and that is doing Chapman speak in Cape Town in an AC Cobra. It's so awesome. So I have to say a huge thanks to Cape Cobra Hire to lending me this car for the day. It's amazing. It's the best thing I've ever done. They have provided me with one of the best AC Cobras I've ever driven. The only AC Cobra I've ever driven, but it's the best spec I've seen. We've got the wood steering wheel here, black on black, with the V8 in front. We've got a bit of modified suspension, and we've got electronic fans for this warm day. We're on Chapman speak at the moment, and it's just amazing.
No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile. Be soon to be happy, don't be laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesy from cheek to cheek, ay, ay. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better, this gon' be the best day ever. If it ain't about a dream, then it ain't about me. Go a couple 4 weeks without a good night's sleep. Imagination, making musical creation, the journey that I'm facing, plus the paper that I'm chasing, got me crazy after saying it with the lames. I see you hating, but there's nothing that you changing. Thumbs up, I'm maintaining, no complaining when it's raining. I'll be in another zone. Move out my mother's home to a world to call my home. I ain't gonna play around no more. Find a difference in the ground and the floor. If we gotta fight, I'll be down for the war. Thumbs up, homie, I'll be sure. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile.
Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, go and give Cape Cobra a hell of a like on their Facebook, Instagram. Go to their website. If you're in Cape Town, please, please, please go and give them a visit. They were really awesome to me, and they'll be awesome to you guys. And I hope you liked the video. Please give it a like, a share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. There's going to be plenty more videos to come.